Hello everyone. By now, everyone enrolled in the Google Arcade or Facilitator Program 25 cohort 2 should have received an email with the subject, Congratulations, you are enrolled in this particular program. So, in this video, I will walk you through the step by step on how to claim your $600 worth of Google Cloud Skill Boost credit from that particular email. So, you have to open the email, and once you scroll down over here, you will be able to see some unique exit code for you. So remember, this code is only for you and can be used at once, and it's non-transferable. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to the step number second, and you have to open this particular link into the incognito part. Once the incognito opens up, there will be a pop-up of your unique code. They has been asking about the code. So at this particular code, you have to copy this particular code from your email, and you have to just simply paste over here. And you have to just check it down. You are not a robot. So let me quickly verify with the part, and you have to just quickly submit over here. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to sign in to your Google Cloud Skill Boost profile. Now you have to do one thing. Let's quickly sign in with our Google Cloud Skill Boost program. So wait, let me quickly sign in with my account. I've successfully signed in with my account. Now, if I check over here, like on the profile icon, so you should see you will getting the 9 credits. If not, you can just refresh the page. If it's still missing, you can just quickly sign out and you can just repeat the steps again. Now, you have to search for a particular lab, like you have to search for this particular lab, a tour of a Google Cloud hands-on part. Now, you have to just quickly copy and paste over here. Okay, now this is a lab you have to perform for getting the other credits like 600 credits. Okay, now this lab is getting open, so let's quickly complete this particular lab. Now our lab has been open. So what you have to do, you have to quickly start the lab, and if we have to spend at least 6 minutes on this particular lab. So till now, what we can do, we can quickly log in into our lab, and we can just perform some of the tasks over here they has been providing. There's just some kinds of particular things providing. So let's quickly open this particular into a new window, and let's quickly get sign in. How to sign in? Just copy the username, just paste the username, and just copy again the password, just paste the password and move to the next part. We have been successfully logged into this our account. Now what next? You have to come up over here and you have to just click on the task number 4. Just scroll down. What you have to do, you have to search for the APIs and the services. Okay, let's quickly search API and services. Just quickly open the API and the services. Enable. We have to enable some kinds of libraries over there. Open this and you have to type the dialog flow, just copy and again come back over here and we have to enable the services. Just quickly search and paste, just hit enter, dialog flow. This is a dialog flow API and you have to just simply enable this particular part. This will be completed like this way and you have to again come back to this particular part. You can just quickly check on progress and you have to spend at least 6 minutes on it. So let's wait to complete this particular. Now simply you have to just quickly end this lab, and once you end this lab you have to go back and you can just check it out. You will be receiving some kinds of credits over your subscriptions part. Just scroll up and you will be see like 609 credits you got. So like this you can just claim your 609 credits from this particular email which you have just received and just quickly redeem it and just quickly get your things. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. If you have any queries, if any questions, you can ask me into the chat. Thanks for watching. See you soon next.